Hi, Laurie. This is Anita.
Mark.
And Kyle.
And we're so thrilled that we got a chance to participate in the Pick a Perfect Wine Every Time. We've had a great time the last 5 weeks learning about wine on Wednesday nights, in the winter, in New Jersey, and we couldn't think of anything better that we'd rather be doing. We've learned about wine, we've had some fun food on a Wednesday night. It's been great.
We had a great time with family and friends visiting us while we took the class and sharing the experience with them as well.
And as a recent Penn State grad, it was nice to learn about some wines that weren't in a box. And I feel like I've learned a lot that can help me when I'm going to shop for wines in the store.
So anyway, thank you. We hope we can do something again with you in the future. We really had a great time, and we know our whites from our reds, from our Proseccos, and our champagnes, and we can't wait to be sipping more in the future. So, cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Thanks, Laurie.
Thanks, Laurie.
Thank you.